Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider your whole form. And I think if most people are honest about their experience in the form, they'll recognize that there are sections that when they approach them or get into them or find themselves in them, they kind of work on. Like there's always stuff here that I'm at risk of, whether balance uh, or posture or choreographic memory or whatever. But when I get into that spot, I'll kind of shift into work on it mode. Get this needs work. I'm always working on this, or at least lately I've been really working on this. And then there are likely to be other parts of the form where when you get to them, maybe as you approach them, you can see it coming, you just enjoy them. Like it's playful, it's easy for you, relatively speaking, and you just kind of enjoy it. Those are both great qualities to have. Like you get into a piece and you really enjoy it. Get into a piece and you have work to do. Those are both great. But I'd like to invite you to transpose those or just transpose one of them and say, when I get to that part that I really work on, let me just try and enjoy it. And I can remember that because there's probably another section or maybe a few sections that I generally just enjoy that just kind of came easy to me, or I don't really have any notes on it from my teacher for a while. And there's something lyric or beautiful or sensual or freeing or open or powerful or whatever it is about that section. And then this might be a separate tip for you. This might be do it at the same time. Take the section that you find pretty easy to just enjoy and be playful with and play at and work on it. Find something to work on. And you can probably know what that feels like from other sections where you work on them. Like, what does that feel like? Is there a seriousness? Is there a speed change? Is there a different focus? Is there a note checking? So uh, work on that and play with that. And, remember, this whole art is play. So uh, I wish you a playground life. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.